Show us the train, mighty tour guide.
It's a Merci Train from like this picture right here is from 1935. That's British soldiers in a 40 and 8. And you know why it's called 40 and 8?
Pause to read. No.
It's called 40 and 8 because the box cars could hold 40 men or 8 horses. So it's 40 and 8.
This is it.
Yeah. The British military used these trains for goods and soldiers in World War I and World War II.
Wow.
You see where it says 40 rooms and 8 shop? 40 men.
40 men or 8 horses. Wow. Maybe that's what that means. It's French. 40 men or 8 horses. And long. I don't know what that means in French, but it's gotta be close to that. Whoa, look how big these chains are. For reference, that's my hand. See how they hook up to the next car?
Where's Aly?
Right here. What's that say, Mom?
It says the Louisiana boxcar of the Merci Train from France, expressing the gratitude of that nation, presented by Consul General Lionel Vos to Governor Earl Calhoun on January 22nd, 1949, in appreciation of the generosity of the American people. Dedicated on this grounds by the Old State Capitol Memorial Commission on June 12, 1949, by Drew Pearson.
Very cool.
Yeah. See where it says 40?
Yeah, I zoomed in on that earlier, and I was like, I don't speak French, but I'm pretty sure that means 40 men and 8 horses.